I don't know if you could tell by my long curly hair or the eccentric decor in the room around me, but I am what some people like to call an artsy boy. So if you're looking to let out a little bit of eccentricity, or at the very least you enjoy watching a madman draw all day, well then welcome. I would be happy to oblige you. So the running theme of this little arts channel of mine is nature meets symbolism. And this is because, like most people, I love nature, but also because there's an ever-present abstract language that keeps presenting itself to me in my imagination, and it will not let me go. I can't go outdoors and just pick up a leaf and appreciate it for a leaf. I must see the archetypical otherness, the unknown, the mythological mystery that is the wilderness for the history of humankind. This is, as an artsy boy, what consumes my imagination. So welcome to the chaos, and I hope you can enjoy my madness. I'll see you in the videos.